Welcome YouTube subscribers to MarineMax Osage Beach. My name is John Stransky, your sales consultant. Today I'm going to show you the 2019 Harris Solstice 240. This impressive tri-tune has the Mercury Verado 300 horsepower on the back. As we work our way onto the boat itself, you've got in the back area here, which not many boats have, is your trunk. Plenty of room to store all your bumpers, the table, and any other needs that you have for water. The back single lounger actually goes back and forth, so you can have it in this position for coving out, and while underway you can put it this way and have additional seating while you're moving out on the water. This particular tri-tune has a powered bimini top. So what I'm going to do is lower a little bit and raise it back up. Gives you the flexibility on the leg to, if you want some sun, you can have it. And in a push of a button, you can put the bimini top right back up and get your shade. The helm itself comes with a SIMRAD. Gives you all the instruments that you need digitally, and the upgraded JL audio stereo system. There's so much storage on this boat, too much to mention. One of them is right here underneath the seat. Armrests with cup holders for the loungers, and storage underneath each of these seats. You also have in the floor storage for your skis, tubes, anything else that you might need for water fun. If you have any questions about this boat or any other boats here at MarineMax Osage Beach, give me a call, 573-606-3092. Thank you so much, and press like if you like the video.